Today we start revision because our course has completed in the previous class. We start from chapter number 2, that is your first term. Chapter name is number system. Chapter name is number system. Clear? So look this. Student, if you have any confusion, doubt in this chapter, please write your question in the comment box, in the chat box. Clear? And ask your doubts if you have any doubts in this chapter. Otherwise, I will start conversions because conversion is most important topic for this chapter. So in number system, we have 4 different kinds of number systems like decimal, binary, octal or hexadecimal. Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. We have 4 number system. The decimal number system having base 10, binary number system having base 2, octal number system base 8 and hexadecimal number system has base 16. Means we have total 4 number systems. One is 10, that is decimal number system. Second 2, a base 2, that means binary number system. Base 8, that means octal number system. And base 16 is hexadecimal number system. This base 10 number system represent numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9, that means start from 0 and finished at 9. Okay? Means it will consider all the numbers, all the whole numbers, because whole numbers start from 0. Then binary number accept only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Binary number system having only 2 digits, one is 0 and second one is 1. Means it will consider numbers which is the combination of 0 and 1 only. Then octal number system start from 0 and finished at 7. Means it is a combination of 0 to 7. And at last 16 is the hexadecimal number start from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 all the numbers just like decimal, and after that 10. For 10 you have to write capital A, 11 you have to write capital B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 is represented by F. We have numbers like this. 16 ways to start from 0 to 15. But first 0 to 9 represent as it is. Then after that 10 represented by A. Similarly 11 by B. Then 12 C. Then 13 D. 14 E and 15 F. In this manner you can display your numbers, represent your numbers. Clear? Now one of the student Kamakshi is asking, sir, please explain decimal and binary number system. Decimal to binary conversion? Kamakshi, your question is what? Decimal to binary conversion or difference decimal number system topic or binary number system separately? Separately. So this is the separate portion, decimal number system. In decimal number system is also called base 10 number system. It represents numbers from 0 to 9. Okay? Or it consider all the whole numbers. Means just like example like 914. 914 is a number. Look this, 914 is a number which comes under 10 as well as 16 base. देखो 10 में भी 0 to 9 आते हैं and 16 में भी 0 to 9 आते हैं. You can differentiate these numbers by their base. If I have written here G10, that means this is decimal number system. If I am writing here this 16, that means this is hexadecimal number system. So numbers are differentiated by their base. So decimal number system is also called base 10 number system. It considers numbers from 0 to 9. Similarly, binary number system is also called base 2 number system. It considers only 2 digits, either 0 or 1. Okay? Means we make a number so the combination of 0 and 1, like 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, like this. So this is called binary number system. If its base is 2. Clear? Okay, good. Now take some example and perform conversion. If you are having a number, in base 10 and you want to convert your base 10 number to other base in the sense by decimal to binary, or you want to convert your number decimal to octal, or you want to convert your number decimal to hexadecimal. We have 4 different number systems: binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. 4. If you want to convert your numbers from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, means decimal number to other base, then you have to divide your number by other base. This is the common rule for all. Whenever you convert your decimal number to binary, decimal number to octal, decimal number to hexadecimal, you have to divide your number by the other base. Other base means if you want to convert your number like 117, this is the decimal number. I want to convert this number to binary first. So to convert this number to binary, so you have to divide by other base. Other base means 2. Decimal से हमें binary में change करना है, तो divide it by 2. Now perform division. 117. This division you have to do like this, or divide this number only by 2. ये मत कहना कि sir this 117 is a prime number, it is not divisible by 2. ठीक है? तो 117 is divisible by 2 in this question. ठीक है? क्योंकि because we want to convert this number binary to decimal to binary. Binary में क्या होता है? 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. बस. ठीक है? तो 2, 5 जा 10, 1 is remainder, after that 7. So 1 or 7, 17. 2, 8 ja 16. Now 1 is remainder. 2, 5 ja 10, 1 or 7, 1, 7, 17. 2, 8 ja 16, 1 is remainder. Similarly, again you have to divide this number by 2. 2, 2 ja 4. Then 2, 9 ja 18. Remainder is 0. Then again 2, 1 ja 2. 2, 4 ja 8. Remainder is 1. Then 2, 7 ja 14. Remainder is 0. 2, 3 ja 6. Remainder is 1. Then 2, 1 ja 2. Remainder is 1. Like this. After division, you have to write your remainders in reverse order from bottom to top. Like this. First you write 1, then 1, then 1. So 3 times 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, then 1 1 1 0, then 1 0 1. Its base is 2. So this is the binary equivalent. ठीक है, 107 का binary equivalent क्या आया? 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is your answer. Now, if you want to check this is correct or not, this answer is correct or not, so if you want to check this answer is correct or not, so first you write this number in the left hand side 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2 and convert this number into decimal. This is the reverse process. This is the reverse process. ठीक है, पहले हमने करा था decimal to binary, means when you convert decimal number to other base, you have to divide by other base. ठीक है, if you want to convert any other base number to decimal, then you have to multiply this number by the parts of other base, like 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. In this manner you have to note down, and then your number start from right to left, just like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, like this. So you have to start 2 to the powers from right to left. So first 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, then 2 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 3, then 2 to the power 4, then 2 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 6. Then perform multiplication. Perform multiplication like 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Clear? So 2 की power 6 is 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 and 2 की power 0. That means 2 की power 0 means 1. Means any number whose power is 0, result is 1. So final is 1. Then add all these. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, or 1, 17. 17, that is 7, remainder is 1, sorry, carry is 1, then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 or 1, 11. Then our final answer is 117. So according to this, our answer is correct. Answer is correct. So in this manner, you can solve your question, convert your decimal number to binary and binary number to decimal number.